What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Like I told you before, this channel is not going to only be about HVAC, but it's going to be, my life channel. So today it's a mixture of my life and HVAC, because today I'm actually at my company's, well, not my company, but the company that I work for. They're having a clay shooting. Now, this is my first time at this type of an event, so hopefully I do good. I'm gonna take you guys along with me and see what's what and how things goes. So in case you're wondering why I even have like a hoodie or a sweatshirt on in Florida, it is freaking 50 degrees out right now in Florida. Don't understand it, don't ask me why, but it is 50 degrees in Florida right now. But anyway, enough of the chit chat, let me get to the action. All right, guys, so I'm here and I'm about to run a practice test. Let's see how this goes.
Give you a quick refresher on the first shell. You just drop in there, hit the button. Second shell, push it in till it clicks. It's ready to go. The safety is off. We're just leaving off. Just keep going around the turn car. You're ready to shoot. Dale will show you each pair before you shoot them. And if you want to hook that thing up.
Oh, it's already.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's recording you from that side. Okay. See, I just graduated from a flip phone to one of these, so I'm way bottom down in the bottom of the century.
Oh, you'll get there.
So
It's off, you're fine.
Pull. All right, guys, so I just hit the practice shot and I did pretty good. Did better than most people, I would say, but hey, it's all in the name of fun. It's no competition, but I'm gonna kick some behinds today. Just watch out. Pull. Good shot, bud. Dang it. Yep.
Jonathan, right?
Yeah. Yep. All right, pull. So y'all team gonna win. I know that. I know that for sure. Nice.
That one there throws different every time.
Yep. You can't get in the rhythm. All right, Big John, you got your camera now.
I hope so. Pull.
All right, so that's it for us. We good? Let's go, Big John.
Oh, that was just two at the same time?
Yeah.
No, one didn't launch.
One didn't launch
outright.
properly, so we got to restart.
I get that one over, right?
Yeah. You got it.
Okay. Not that last one.
So who's next?
I'll go next.
All right.
I got one, sucker.
I hear you. I hear you.
Yeah. You know why I got that second one?
Please don't embarrass me.
Huh?
That bitch was coming at me.
Yep. Ah, nice.
Both of 'em?
Yep.
That's the guy said he sucked. Remember that?
So my turn. You want? Can you hold this for me and just like press
Where you understand?
Press the back button twice for it to like level out.
Watch out, John. Miss it right here. I gotta watch him. Shoot.
Ready? Pull. I got both. Did you? Yeah.
You got one.
What the hell am I looking at then?
I know one thing. You ain't keeping score.
Pull. Why the hell I always miss two?
Alright.
Here you go.
Your turn.
I'll go.
What'd
Yep.
you do? Y'all all 4 shots at one time?
Yeah,
Oh, that's
right?
what
Yeah.
you're supposed to do? I only shot 2.
Oh, I didn't do it, but I'll go
Oh, okay.
ahead and do mine.
Go ahead, John boy.
So yeah, now y'all showing out now.
Alright.
Gotcha.
You need ammo or?
They showing out now.
You need ammo too, right?
Everybody needs ammo.
Oh.
So the O's are misses.
Yeah.
Nice.
Big L. XX.
Oh,
XX.
right here.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get both of them one shot this time.
Nice.
I believe in you. You're gonna get both.
Oh yeah, hell yeah. One of these days.
Hey, look here.
All right. So look at the boys. Hey, boy. Let's go, Big John. Ah. Yeah. Yeah.
Damn.
Where Big John at? Where Big John at?
You freaking hold it
Radecki, yeah. Boom and boom. Let's do this. All right.
down. All right, John boy. You got
Hey,
this.
just so y'all know, I ain't dicking around no more, boys.
I hear you. Woo! Nice.
Well, that boy flies right at you.
Yeah, it's easy to hit. All right, so that's it for this one, right? All right, let's move on. Yo, I am having a blast. Here we go.
Alright, you guys want to see where they go?
Yeah.
Alright, so first one, out there. Second one, come from the back.
Try to catch it floating.
I've seen it move.
You need another round, don't you?
Pull.
First one was a walk to watch.
Pull. Right? Pull. There you go, Big John. Ah. Oh, step your game up, I see.
Guns are long.
I'm about to miss all of them.
First one you think is easy.
It ain't, and nope.
Pull. John.
He hit the first one.
Tip the first one.
Miguelito.
All right, somebody got to make us look good.
Hey, I made up for the last one.
Yep. There you go. There you go.
Got it.
Yep.
Got it.
Nice. Nice.
It out.
That's all right.
Yep. Showing out.
Jay? Thank you guys. Be safe. Have fun.
Thank you.
It's all right here. Yeah. Sorry.
How many did you get on that one?
2 out of 4.
I get 2 out of 4.
You got, well, where we at? John Radecki. 1 out of 4.
Pull.
Good job. Yeah, you see me?
You got all of them?
Yeah.
Good job, Jay.
Oh yeah. All right, guys. So I had to leave, but that was a first for me. That was a pretty good experience. I mean, excuse me. The company that I work for now is amazing. I've never been to a company that takes care of their people like this and do little fun events and stuff like that. And to me, that's what's most important to me. You know, a family environment, a real family environment. So hey man, shout out to my company, which is TWC. And man, I legitimately had a lot of fun. But I'm driving home now, so I guess I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.